Alright, good morning everybody. This is day one of our trip. We are at a roadside rest area. You're probably going to hear traffic noise going by. There's the truck. And the trailer. And there's Julie and the boys. I'm going to take y'all on a little trip of the here. Alright. So this is Highway 21, just a few miles outside of Crockett, Texas. And I'm going to give you an overview of the rest area that we're staying at. There's a site. There's a site. And there's our site. A lot of logging trucks going by. Alright, so in case you were wondering, I showed you this on another video, but there's the sign right there. It says that you can stay here for up to 24 hours, and then you gotta bug out, and you can't erect a shelter or a tent. But if you have an RV, you're not erecting anything, you're just parking something. Alright. So then when we come over here, there's a little plaque, and I'll try to show it to you here. Alright. Texas Highway Department, in memory of Mr. Thomas Jefferson Maples, donated by Mrs. T.J. Maples Sr. in 1935. That's the history of this little park. Awesome, right? So, it's a pretty nice size park, and the sites are nice. Take you over here and let you see. Of course, they haven't come to pick up the trash yet, so the trash cans are overflowing. It says no household garbage, but I would venture to guess that a lot of that's household garbage. Anyway, this is what the tables and everything look like. They're concrete and rock. They all have a little barbecue pit next to them, so you can have a picnic if you so desire. Trees. When the cars aren't coming by, it's pretty peaceful at this little park. We stayed the night here last night. It was about 70 degrees, 68 degrees, something like that. Kind of nice. Got the great big LED light up there. One of them is still lit and the other one's not, but that puppy lit this whole place up. So I don't even think we've had anybody drive through this little area since we've been here. But anyway, y'all may not know this, because I don't know if we've talked about it or not, but we do a little geocaching. We're not as nutso about it as we used to be, but right off in that corner right there, see if I can do this. Right off in that corner right there, theoretically there's a geocache, so we may go hunt it down. But this is where we're staying. That's the trailer right there. Not bad. Not bad little place. You can pull in at, I think we pulled in here at about 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 a.m. We left the house at 10, about 10:30. But here we are. Alright, well, we'll get you some more footage when we get to the real campsite, which is Martin Creek Lake State Park. That's number 1, so we will get back with you then. Thanks for watching. There we go. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy this little shot of our first campsite. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that old subscribe button, hit that little bell, and we'll let you know. It will let you know every time we upload a video. All right, so have fun, enjoy, go out and get your own adventure, because we're starting ours spring of 2021.